Wintertime, all the time, ooh.
Yeah, okay.
Disrespectful and
okay.
Winter one hell of a kid. Smoking gas, drinking.
Winter.
What you doing out in dick? Slick talker since a jet.
Wintertime, all the time, ooh. Yeah. Look at the way that I move. Swag. Disrespectful and I'm rude. Okay. I had cocaine in the school. Winter one hell of a kid. I am. Smoking gas, drinking mid. I'm lit. What you doing out in dick? I swear. Slick talker since a jet. Finesse. I know that this what they want. Facts. Run up some money, I'm gone. I'm out. I'm the truth like Ron. Killing. Sipping lean and saying Juan. I did it. I taught myself to finesse. For real. I taught myself how to judge. For real. Being broke was no fun. No way. Scope 12 and I run. Diamonds on me like minerals keep. One eye open for his Whitaker winner. Time I keep shit original you. Niggas looking sound identical. I don't wanna do no interviews. I just wanna run up decimals. I been said what I was finna do. Buzz like years ahead of you. Now I gotta shine on. Winter bitch, it ain't no autumn. I got yoga fire, no Dawson. Brucey told me get him, so I got him. I ain't slipping, I ain't falling. I'm the champ, Seth Rollins. D. Russell, how I'm ballin'. The NBA keep calling. Stay 10 toes down. 100. You wouldn't last in my shoes, though. I'm a dog, no cool Joe. Your girl call me Poppy Chulo. I don't even like the rap. Facts. Almost went back to the trap. Facts. My brother told me not to risk it. Yeah. I thought about it and I listened. Started singing for the bitches. Cause I don't fuck with none of these niggas. I don't really make no friendships. Stay to myself and I kick shit. Word around town, wintertime, the new Bobby Brown. And I'm pulling up from way downtown. Think I'm like Mike, Lil Bow Wow. And you never catch me diving in the crowd. Fuck rolling loud, I was rolling loud. Wintertime, the general, no Colin Powell. And for all the real ones, I'ma hold it down. Posted up, smoking out the pound. Them hoes hated, now they own me now. Run a bag like I'm Ronnie Brown. Wintertime to go, boy, wipe me down. You dig? Wintertime, all the time, ooh. Yeah. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. Swag. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. Okay. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. I am. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. I'm lit. Wintertime, all the time, ooh. I swear.
In an all-black crowd, 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you're looking for me, find me in the night. I got nothing when I fight. I wanna take your fucking life and end it right on sight. When I strike, if you walk, better bite. Black eye for the cops, pop a 6-shot drop. Then I tried to the rocks with me on blood clot. Red dot, body drop when I cocked. Then I saw no tune, no plot. Throw 'em off for the yacht and dock with the side of the skull hanging in the fucking river. Oh. Suicide 666 59, so cynical.
Got a pound to the ground, I'm lounging. Over to the round, I'm drowning. Climb to the top of the top of the ground.
Swerve in the motherfucking all white crowd. Back blue like now, yes, I red out. Left all up from my cup because he fuck another brown cat. Got the town lit up by the flame that I beg from my grass. Up in there, big grab for the plague on the 7th-day. Grab bodies laying like that.
Still got that bag, still got that gun, still got that pass, still got that stun, still got that cash, bitch, I burn it for fun, but the Glock in my skull, then I
Yeah, Southside, suicide, kill yourself, ho. Say you getting money, but your number don't show, you a liar. Baseball bat, fully wrapped in barbed wire. For anyone that's tryna get buyers, I've been thinking a lot. I see these rappers tryna get in my spot. Rob told me, you gotta get it how you live. Told that bitch you better get up on my biz. Big ol' breath ass hoe with a face like this. You want the issue with no more blow, they most don't see the tissue. I got a side so I can really do an interview. Don't come close to me, I'm not the one to really do it how it's supposed to be. Independent till they able to get over me. I'm over here with my peers getting rich. Point blank before I bring her to the crib, make sure that bitch don't stink. Ain't no rules to the game. talk how you want, walk how you want. My job is the shit, I used to clean up shit for the rim of the toilet. Now I'm getting money, I don't gotta pack a pistola. Okay, maybe. Cause jealousy make a man go crazy. Money make a motherfucker hate me. 1,000 bitches, they all wanna date me.
Tesla and you know it's a two-seater. Pick up my gun, I'ma shoot it, that's a new heater. Aim it at your head like it was a hairdryer. Smoking on cleats, make sure I get higher. I feel so out of place when I'm not in your presence. Made me feel okay and good about myself. I don't believe that I will make it. If you ask for my heart, I'll let you take it. Fill my soul cause it's been vacant. Girl, why you so stressed? You need a vacation. Alright, I'ma take you on vacation. Alright, I'ma take you on vacation. I'ma take you on vacation. Are you ready now? Send me your location. I'll pick you up even late nights. Smoking all gas, let's take a flight. Shorty said that she raps, so she's spinning on my mic. Took her out on vacation, now she's feeling alright. Yeah, she feeling alright. She's feeling alright. Get on me, ride me like a bike. Do a twist up on it, that's the shit that I like.
Big wraith, yeah. Big cool, yeah. Big flex, yeah. I do. Roll around town with a
the ground like a damn flounder. These hoes don't want shit. When I pulled up in a brand new whip, fuck nigga, you a bitch. Fuck nigga, you a threat. Fly away in a coupe, then I crash in a jet. Yeah, I'm bigger now like it was 7 feet tall. Young nigga on the court like my name John Wall. And I feel like I'm switching the mellow ball. And what do I want, bitch? I want it all. Crash my whip, need transportation. Need a new bitch, I hope she's Asian. This might be the end, annihilation. Don't play pretend, imagination. Yeah, need a new bae, she right though. Cause I got no time for a side hoe. If you wanna go and ride my way, okay, go round or end in the grave.
Young nigga getting guap. Show that right there, told that bitch don't stop, yeah. Pull up on a pop, yeah. Pull up on a, he told me that he want smoke, what? He want smoke. Hold on, nigga, let me make a phone call. Phone call, nigga, let me make a phone call. Let me make it, yeah. She in my pipe almost every other day. Shorty on her way, and that bitch getting slayed, yeah. Been around with niggas, man, I wish a nigga would. Shorty be asking me why I be at the store, yeah. Told that bitch on the road, yeah. Bitch, I thought I told you, yeah. Bitch, I thought I told you, I thought I told you.
I got a Tesla and you know it's a two-seater. Pick up my gun, I'ma shoot it, that's a new heater. Aim it at your head like it was a hairdryer. Smoking on cookies, make sure I get higher. I feel so out of place when I'm not in your presence. Make me feel okay and good about myself. I don't believe that I will make it. If you ask for my heart, I'll let you take it. You fill my soul cause it's been vacant. Girl, why you so stressed? You need a vacation. Alright, I'ma take you on vacation. Alright, I'ma take you on vacation. I'ma take you on vacation. Are you ready now? Send me your location. I'll pick you up even late nights. Smoking all gas, let's take a flight. Shorty said that she raps, so she's spinning on my mic. Took her out on vacation, now she's feeling alright.